Hey, what is going on, guys? Jordan Bianchi here again with another haircut tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very big transformation. A number 4 clip on top with a skin fade on the sides. To get started with the fade, guys, you're going to want to put your clipper in the all the way closed position and set a guideline as shown. Next, grab your foil shaver and bald out all the stubble underneath that initial guideline. Switching back to the clipper, you're going to want to have it in the all the way open position and set another guideline about a ½ inch above the clipper closed. To remove the line between the clipper closed and the clipper open, you're going to want to start by playing with the lever and a closer to a closed position, kind of flicking at that line as you open the lever, as demonstrated. Next, slap on the number 1 guard, put it in all the way closed position, and flick up about a ½ inch above the clipper open. Take the 1 guard, put it to the open position, and flick up another ½ inch above the 1 guard closed. Grab the 1½ guard, put it in the open position, and flick up above the 1 guard open. I'm now going to be doing some detail work with my 1 guard in the open closed position, and I will probably be grabbing my 1½ guard and playing with that too, just to do some touch-up work to remove some shadows and stuff. Here's the last step in the fade. I will be using my thinning shears over comb to remove this harsh line between the 1½ guard open into the number 4 guard on top. Now, this can be achieved in 2 different ways, either using a thinning shear over comb technique or using, the rest of your guards, your 2 and your 3 guard. But me personally, I find this to be a little bit quicker, and I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to be working on a client any longer than I have to, especially on a full book. I'm going to be repeating the same exact steps I did on the left side of my client's head on the right side. So this portion of the head will be just a pure time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoy. So that's it, guys. This massive transformation is complete. Actually, I wouldn't call it massive, but you know what I mean. We went from some long hair on top, my boy Dalton was tired of it, to a nice foreclip with a nice mid-skin fade on the sides and a light hairline shape up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I would greatly appreciate it if you considered subscribing, liking the video, all that good stuff. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, I do apologize for the lack of uploads. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.